Want to learn more about how today's action from the Federal Reserve affects your home buying plans? Keep watching and find out how you can take advantage of the current market. If you find this helpful, share this video with someone else who's looking to buy a home this spring. Up until today, mortgage rates have been holding pretty steady for the last week, but with the latest announcement from the Federal Reserve, we're seeing a pretty promising shift. So why is this happening? Let's dive into the economics behind it. The Fed has a pretty big toolkit, and one of its key tools is its balance sheet, which is just packed with government mortgage-backed securities. What the Fed does with this tool can really sway long-term interest rates, which directly affects what you pay for a mortgage. So here's the scoop. The Fed just slowed down its plan to sell off some of those securities. Instead of letting them go quickly, they're taking a more gradual approach. This means more stability and more money flowing through the markets. This is really a sign of caution from the Fed due to their concerns about the economy's growth and shifts in inflation rates. This strategy is likely to bring lower long-term interest rates, which directly impacts the rate you get on a mortgage. For anyone in the market for a new home, this could mean a lot more affordable borrowing costs are just on the way. Essentially, lower mortgage rates might make it easier and less expensive for you to finance your home purchase. With the Fed's move likely making homes more affordable, what does this mean for Utahns looking to buy a home this spring? Let's dive into some local trends. Spring in Utah is really a hot time for real estate thanks to the nicer weather. Schools are wrapping up for the year. With the Federal Reserve's recent policy changes likely leading to lower mortgage rates, this spring will probably see even more activity than usual. To be really prepared for this, buyers really need to get fully pre-approved. This will help you get more than just knowing your budget. It's going to be key to showing sellers that you really mean business with your offer. A solid pre-approval not only speeds up the borrowing process, but it also gets you ahead of potential buyers who may not have secured their financing yet. This is going to make your offer a lot more appealing in the competitive market we're in. Since prices tend to rise in the spring in Utah due to this higher demand, it's really important to understand the seasonal fluctuation. To buy a home in this market, you need to be ready to make quick decisions so you don't get caught off guard by these escalating prices. This means you have to have thought through the location, the features, the options of the home you're looking at, and done some realistic reflection on how those goals fit in with your price range. Keep in mind, sellers always prefer buyers who have less risk of deal delays or fall-throughs, which is what makes a well-backed offer a lot more likely to succeed, especially when multiple offers are on the table. If you'd like to know more about mortgages and how you can buy a home, find me on social media and follow me there.